Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. Be sure to hit the subscribe button down below for more Disney and Orlando videos. Today I actually am doing a request to a comment I got a few videos back where somebody asked me if I could show how I style my Disney shirts. So here I am. I'm gonna show you guys how I style my shirts. I have a huge pile of clothes next to me so I can show like some different ideas and maybe give you some inspiration. And I was thinking if this video, if you guys like it, I'll do another one where I do styling Disney sweaters. So let me know what you think. If you guys enjoy this, I love talking about Disney style. It's like one of my biggest passions. I love style, I love Disney, I love thrifting and upcycling and all of those things. So I hope that you guys like this video and hopefully I can share some fun tips with you guys. But anyway, I really don't have much else to say, so I guess let's just go ahead and get into it. Trying to find the best angle, so hopefully this is a good one. But I'm gonna start off with shorts. So shorts, this is probably the easiest way to style a Disney shirt, which is biker shorts. This is just a loose fitting shirt that I got from the Lakeland Antique Mall. So a lot of people just wear it like this. So like looser fitting with the biker shorts, and it's really comfortable. This is like the most comfiest outfit to wear to Disney, is just a t-shirt and biker shorts. And then some people also, if you like a tighter look, they'll tie the shirt here and then do kind of like that. So it's a little more like fitted. I think I prefer the looser look. I think that's like the Gen Z style of doing things too. And then, so with every outfit, I have like 3 categories of things that I feel like makes the outfit complete. So the first one is headwear, and of course, like I have plenty of Disney ears, but there's other things that you can wear too if you don't like Disney ears, like hats or headbands or styled hairstyles. And I've talked about it before, but I really want to do a video where I talk about different headwear things you can wear to the parks. But for this outfit, I'm just going to add ears. I'm just gonna go with my simple red and black ears, but it really just depends on the outfit. I have some really fun ones, which I'll show you guys, and then I have these and my silver ones, which are just go-tos for any outfit I'm wearing. So those are my most simple ones. But so I get ears, and then something else I like to pair with an outfit is a bag. So I've got a bunch of different bags. With this outfit, I probably would pair the Mickey. So just those 2 little things I feel like added a lot to the outfit. And also shoes, I usually wear my white Converse, and jewelry. So jewelry you can go crazy with if you want to do some cool necklace. I usually go pretty simple with my outfits, but you can do something cool with your earrings. My Lizzie and Lowe pumpkin ones are like my favorite to style with Disney outfits. So yeah. Biker shorts are super simple one. Another way I've seen to style biker shorts is with sports bras or crop tops, which personally the super crops and the sports bras I'm just not confident enough for, but if that's your style then go for it. But I do have this crop top, which I'm gonna put on now. It just came out of the dryer, so it's a little bit wrinkled, but let me put that on and then I'll show you guys what the biker shorts look like with a crop top. Okay, so here's the next one with the biker shorts. So this is a crop top, so you can see it gives me like a little crop here, but nothing crazy. So I really like this shirt. It says Walt Disney's and then on the back Cinderella. I got this from Zara, and so this one I would style differently because it's yellow. So probably go for these ears, which are like my Mickey confetti ears. So I'd probably wear these. And then I don't know what I'd do for a bag. I'd probably do, my Mickey head is really simple. So something like that. Or if I wanted to add a little pop of color, I have my mini macaron bag. Whoop. So something like that. And again, if you don't like ears, I have my Mrs. Potts hat as another little way to style. So like this. Ta-da! So that's biker shorts. So yeah, I love biker shorts. They're super comfy and you can just do so much with them and make a really cute outfit. Fanny packs also look really good with biker shorts if you're a fanny pack wearer. I personally am not, but I'm kind of getting into it now because they're like super stylish nowadays. So anyway, I'm gonna change and show you guys the next outfit. Okay, so next up in the realm of shorts, I think the next step above biker shorts are these like 90s style dress shorts, which my mom absolutely hates, but I'm obsessed with them. So I got these from Goodwill. I actually got the shirt from Goodwill as well, and I just upcycled it. So I added all the bleach dyeing and added some like razor cuts, and it's a rock and roller coaster shirt. The shorts are from a brand called Kathy Daniels, and I love them so much that I actually bought a second pair off of Poshmark. I don't know where you can buy them. I don't even know if they still sell these, but I found some more on Poshmark. So I usually just tuck in my shirt and then kind of like pull it out here for a really cute like 90s inspired look, and very simple, very comfortable. And this one has pockets, which is really nice. And again, I would just follow the same process that I did with the other outfits as far as like styling it. So I usually pick a pair of ears or something for my head, and then a bag. So ta-da! So this is another really easy way to style Disney shirts, and these shorts come in so many colors and you can find them anywhere, but Kathy Daniels is the brand that I'm wearing here, and I'm just obsessed. I love them so much. So anyway, I'll show you guys the next style. Oh, actually, let me show you a way to accentuate this real quick. I just thought of this while I was looking in the camera, but I have this like 90s style windbreaker jacket, which I feel like would accentuate the outfit. So something like that. There's just so many different ways, especially if it's a little bit chilly out. Bringing this jacket, I feel like it goes really well with the shorts. So anyway, let me show you the next outfit. Okay, so next up I just have some regular high-waisted shorts, and I paired it with this Star Wars shirt. So I am a big fan of tucking in my shirts, especially when they're high-waisted. Even when they're not high-waisted, I usually tuck them in. I don't know if it's because of my body shape, like if that's just what looks better on me, but this is definitely what I prefer. I think it looks better and more feminine. And so usually when I'm wearing shorts like this, I like to pair it with a fun belt. This belt is pretty much the only one I wear. It's from Target, and it's just like some like print, some pattern on it, and I think it adds a lot to outfit to have a little print. I also have a plain black one that I wear to work, which I sometimes pair with these outfits as well. Like if the belt just does not go with the shirt at all, I'll just go with the black one because the belt just adds like another dynamic to the outfit. So this is, for example, what I would wear, something like this, or with a black belt, and I just tuck it in and kind of pull up the edges a little bit so it's not like super tucked in. And then I'd also pair it with the bag. This one I'd probably pair with my Grogu backpack. Actually, let me go grab it real quick. I was trying to avoid pulling out all my bags because there's stuff all over my floor right now, but this one I just had to put with it. So this is my baby Grogu Loungefly bag. So this would go well with the Star Wars theme we got going. And sometimes, so I have Star Wars ears, but personally I don't know if these go great with this, just because like the gold and the gray combo. So sometimes, even though like I have a perfectly themed pair of ears, I just go with the simple silver ears because it just works better with the outfit. So this is something I would wear to the parks. I am not wearing shoes right now because I'm in my house, but I'd probably pair this with some white Converse as usual. And yeah, I just think that this is a really cute outfit. Another way to step up this outfit is if you have some kind of flannel or jean jacket. I'm gonna use the jean jacket because it's the most simple one in the pile that I have. You can take it and tie it around your waist like this. And again, it just adds a little bit more to the outfit. I've done this many times. I'll put some pictures in here, but I feel like it adds a lot to the outfit, especially like if it's one of those Florida days where it's gonna be hot during the day and colder at night, then you have the sweater to put on later. And I feel like it just adds a lot to the outfit. So yeah, that's how I style shorts. And I think that's it for shorts. So next I'm gonna show you jeans. Okay, so here is jeans. And to be honest with you, jeans are one of the last options for me that I wear to the parks because I'm not the most comfortable in jeans. Like I like how they look. I feel like they make my legs look amazing. But in Florida, it's just really hot and you get sweaty and jeans get sticky. So I don't usually wear jeans, but if it was hotter or colder out, then I would probably wear jeans. Usually I'd wear it with a sweater, but here's how I would style it with a t-shirt if I was going to. And again, I'm gonna pair it with a belt. So I tuck in my shirts again. Like I said, I don't know if it's my body shape or what. I just feel more confident and like I like it more, but if you like to untuck it, that's totally fine too. So I usually pair it with a belt. And the same thing as I did with my shorts is something really cool to do with jeans as well. This flannel I actually only have to do this with because it's not a button down, it stops right here, so it's like really tight. So I literally only have it to add another dynamic to my outfit. So I'm gonna pair this one because this is kind of like a Christmassy look. So I've got the red back here and the red up here, and then Jordan got these for me. I'm so excited. I haven't even taken the tag off yet. I'm so excited about these. Me and her both wanted them so bad, and she literally went 3 times trying to get them, and she went to Magic Kingdom at Rope Drop to find them, and they were sold out. So then she went to Disney Springs and got them for us. So I'm gonna pair these because they're Christmassy as well. And voila, this is another outfit I would wear to the parks. And again, I'd probably style it with a bag. So this is my most simple bag. It's a Mickey Coach bag that my dad and my stepmom got for me. And yeah, this is an easy Christmas outfit idea. I might actually wear this in my winter lookbook. I kind of like how it looks. So anyway, another very simple idea and very easy to put together as well. And if you don't like the crazy patterns, again, I have just this not jean, but like denim, not even denim, it's like a light blue color one that might go together a little bit more simpler. So to each their own, everybody likes different style, but this is an easy way to do jeans. Okay, next up is skirts. So I like to pair my t-shirts with skirts sometimes. So this one is a little Grogu shirt, which my mom got for me. And then I have a bunch of basic skirts that are easy to pair with these. So I have this one, which is just white with these like black birds on it, and then I have this black one, which is a high and low, which I wear a lot to the parks. So that's another easy way to style t-shirts, is with a skirt. I'll put some pictures in over here of some of the different outfits that I've worn, but I think it looks nice because it kind of like tucks in here, so it gives you a nice like shape, and I just think it's really cute. So I think it's also a fun way to add like a really nice pattern with an outfit. So I like doing that too. And with this one, I'd probably pair my Mandalorian bag like this. And then for ears, I definitely need some more like Star Wars ears in my life. I have a pair in my list from the company that I brand rep for called Outfitters Creations. It's these not Darth Vader, but Death Star ears. I definitely want those. They're super simple because right now I just have my C-3PO ones, which I love. I feel like they don't always go with every outfit. These look cute, I think, but I would either go for these ears or just make my simple silver ones. And ta-da, another easy outfit. I love styling with skirts because they're just super comfortable, and I feel like they're super feminine, and if you have like a flowy one, you can do like twirl pictures. But always wear shorts underneath your skirts in the parks and your dresses because things can happen. Your skirt can fly up from the wind, you're on roller coasters. I just highly recommend wearing shorts underneath. Okay, next up is a dress, and you may be thinking, how on earth are you going to pair a t-shirt with this dress? And let me show you. So first off, I'm gonna use this one because I think it goes with it well. So first off, you could do it this way. I chose this dress in particular because first off, I like the color. It's very simple, so it could go with a lot of different shirts. And second off, it has a stain in the back, so wearing a shirt covers it up. And third off, it has pockets, which we love a dress with pockets. Here they are. I can put my stuff on them when I'm in the park, so I love that. Ta-da! So anyway, there's a couple different ways you can wear t-shirts. So you can just tie it here like this, and then it kind of just looks like a skirt. I'm wearing my biker shorts underneath. Sorry, they're super long. Let me pull them up a little bit. But yeah, then you have like kind of a skirt underneath. And another way that you can do it, which might be a little less comfortable but might be a little more secure. I saw a girl do this on TikTok. So you put a sports bra on over the dress, and I would probably take the padding out of this because it's not necessary. But trying to get it to lay flat. So you put a sports bra on, which looks really weird. Then put your shirt on, and you can easily tuck it in to the sports bra. And obviously you can choose a higher or a lower one based off of what size you want, and you can pull it out a little bit. So that's a super easy way to wear a t-shirt with a dress too, and I feel like that's a really cool way to wear a shirt because, like I said, this one has pockets so I can have my pockets available all day, and it adds like a really nice like feminine element, and it's good for pictures, good for twirling. And this combo in particular I love because there's so many colors in it that it can go with so many things. Like if I wanted to do an elegant style, I could do this with my 50th anniversary ears. So that's one. Or if I wanted to go on the sweet side, I have my Mickey ice cream sandwich lounge fly, my chocolate chip cookie ears. So that's another way. Cute. Or since you know all the Fab Five are on it, I could just go classic and just do some rainbow ears, my Mickey bag, or since it's pink cake castle, I could do my pink macaron bag. The possibilities are just endless, so there's so much you can do with it, and I feel like it looks so flippin' cute. So yeah, that's another idea if you are looking for how to style your t-shirts, is the dress. Thank you everyone so much for watching. I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here, but I hope that this gave you guys some ideas. I'm gonna take the sports bra off because it's a little bit tight, but I hope that this gave you guys some ideas, and if you wanna see how I style Disney sweaters or like other things like ears or whatever, let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to do videos like that, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful day. Oh, also too, I forgot, if you paired like the jacket like I showed earlier, the white jacket, you can add pins to it. Pins are a fun way to accentuate an outfit as well. There's just so much. That's what I love about DisneyStyle, is there's so much that you can incorporate to an outfit, which is always so fun. But anyway guys, I hope that you're having a wonderful, wonderful week and a happy Thanksgiving, and I'll see you very soon. Bye guys.